Are you struggling to integrate the Google Fitness API into your Unity project? You're not alone. Many developers face challenges when trying to connect Unity with Android services. Today, we will tackle a common issue related to Google Services initialization. I understand how frustrating it can be when everything seems to work perfectly in a native Android app, but fails in Unity. This is a common hurdle for many developers, and it can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. Let's dive into the specific issue at hand. One user reached out with a question about their Unity plugin using the Google Fitness Step Counter API. They encountered an error during Google Services initialization, which worked fine in a native app but failed in Unity. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. The error message indicates that the Google services failed to initialize due to a missing resource. This often happens when the necessary configuration file, google-services.json, is not properly integrated into your Unity project. Let's break down how to resolve this. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to fix this issue and get your notifications working perfectly. To address the initialization issue with Google Services in Unity, the user should first ensure that the Google Services.json file is correctly placed in the Unity project. This file contains essential configuration data. Next, the user needs to verify that the Google Services Gradle plugin is included in the Unity project. This is crucial for the proper initialization of Google Services. After confirming the Gradle plugin, the user should check the Android manifest.xml file. It must include the necessary permissions and metadata for Google Services to function correctly. Finally, the user should rebuild the project and test it again. If the error persists, they may need to check for any conflicting libraries or dependencies that could interfere with the Google Services initialization. Fun fact: did you know that the Google Fitness API can track not just steps, but also heart rate and calories burned? It's a powerful tool for health-focused applications. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves extending Unity Player activity in your plugin. This adjustment allows the Google login window to pop up correctly, which is essential for the Google Fitness API to function properly. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your Google Services.json file updated whenever you make changes in the Google Developers Console. This will save you from future headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Google Services initialization issue in your Unity project. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on game development.